Built this deer stand last month. It's full-blown hunting season here in Texas. Let's go check it out. It is very windy right now. It's approximately 15 feet up in the air. Let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside. We'll pan around here and look. And from the other side, it's quite a ways up here. Yeah, but anyway, this is the deer stand treehouse. It's about 6 feet wide and about 10 feet long. More than enough room. I can't reach the top. And you take one of these seats, you fold it out, you sit down, you get your gun hanging rack here. Get your deer feeder there. Yeah. Style of the Little Rascals. Well, you had very strong. We've had over 1,000 pounds of people up there moving around. Here we're looking at the ancient ruins of a deer stand me and my brother-in-law built right about 10 years ago. 10 years that floor's still sitting there. I could still climb up on it. And this was all knocked down by a bulldozer that had come and leveled out all this ground. They tried to push it down with a bulldozer. You can see how they picked the blade up and hit right there, and he rammed it a few times, which knocked all of this down. Anyway, just coming back here to show you why the deer stand's where it is. It's there. we're going to go down here. Okay, there's the deer stand. Here is the first place we have to be able to see track, which that just happens to be the trail that goes off back. But here we can see, you see the deer tracks there, and you see the deer tracks there. They hop over. You see the old ruins there where we were. We came on down through here. There's a little stream. See, this is the deer trail. I know it's hard to see on camera, but it is the deer trail. Lots of crushed leaves and things to indicate that they're trafficking through regularly. And looking back the other way, the trail goes up around over the creek and up around through there. The ancient stand, the new stand. Now we're going to go right over here. Okay, we're here where I pointed. They come across here, and they have a very well-worn trail coming through here. This happens to be an old, rickety old stand right in the path of the trail. See, all the main forest is off out that way. This old rickety thing, somebody has just recently put this back together. They come and put these nails in it, but I don't know how they could. I don't think it would hold anybody. It's pretty rickety. Anyhow, the deer come right through here, right down across that stream. That's where we see all the footprints all the time, every year, and they go right on up. Let's go back. And there's the old stand they come down through. There's tracks where they hop over, and a lot of times they come right down through here, the path of least resistance. We'll see all kinds of different animal footprints. Anyway, over here, that big dam, the big dam there, on the other side of that, that's the pond that you'll see in the background. Well, if they do not hop where I originally showed you, here's the creek. That's where we just came from, right back here. They come and they just hop right through here. And there's multiple pathways, but predominantly they come right up through here. There's the old stand, the new stand back there in the center screen. The deer come through here. There's the stand. Okay, we just came from there. Here's the fence. And then right over the fence you have this pond. There's that dam I was just speaking about. You have this pond with all the cows and things. All down this fence line, these deer will come up. They'll jump over at different places, depending on whether they're going here to the water or out there to the field. But either way, all of this is within sight of the stand, wide open, you can see. Many trails going down through. They really like to jump right there at that white pipe, right where the corner of the fence is there. That seems to be where they predominantly jump over. And they have a, you know, they go to the left and they go to the right. If they're going out to the field, they jump that way. If they're coming over here to the pond, they usually jump there. I don't know why they don't hop anywhere else here. But anyhow, that puts that in a very good location. This stand has been here for 10 years. You look at how it was put there. We used 6-inch nails to spike it after we cut these three trees off level there to create poles, and we built the platform on them, you can see. And then we have some other little trees. That's a tree that was cut down and brought over here, cut to the right height to support that corner, and one on the other corner. It's been there for 10 years through every kind of storm and a bulldozer. I just find that fascinating. Well, I say 10 years. Actually, we built this sometime in the year 2010, but it was in the early part of 2010 when we started it. Most of the videos that I try to upload, for some reason I cannot make them public. YouTube has censored them in some way, and they remain private on my channel, and I don't know what to do about it. Something. I'm not going to be showing any weapons, any blood, guts, or anything like that. And I'm fixing to have to get off of here. There is something moving. I am doing a voiceover while editing the video. But here, look, you see an 8-point buck walking along the very same path that I just got through showing you. Here he is there, coming up right about in line with the dam there. He's walking along the fence line, right up the set of trails I just showed you. I don't know how he doesn't see me. I'm standing in the wide open here on top of this hill. I may or may not be armed and ready for this moment. It is deer season. Okay, let's check this out. Voiceover, I want you to pay attention to how I managed to call this deer, this buck, all the way back over to me in the most unconventional way. See it looking at me. See it looking at me. Looking right at me. I'm moving all around and it's not scared. 8-point coming back to me. It's coming back to me.